Hello everyone, welcome to Despicable Maine News Break. I am Jennifer Drake. In today's report, we address why do Robert VanHorn, Jeff Toothaker, Charles Helfrich, William Blaisdell, and every other court-appointed lawyer engage in such behavior? They rely on your conviction to fund their lavish lifestyles, viewing themselves as royalty with made-up titles like Esquire, while deeming you nothing more than a peasant to be milked. Their goal is straightforward: turn you into one of their cash cows. Privately, they refer to defendants as cash cows, exploiting the financial benefits from convictions. Known as cash cow status in the legal context, Maine courts prioritize funds generated from convictions over legal principles, evidence, and applicable laws, resembling kangaroo courts focused on revenue generation. Every intentional dirty trick they employ aims at convicting you the easiest way possible. Despicable Maine staff has compiled a list of common tricks used by court-appointed lawyers. Violating bar rules. If you witness such behavior, file a complaint with the state bar for each violation. Here's the process. 1. File a complaint with the state bar for each violation. 2. Draft, notarize, and send by certified mail an affidavit of facts based on the bar complaints filed. 3. Draft, notarize, and send by certified mail a notice of claim for the harm caused by Robert VanHorn on this bar grievance covering court costs. Check out other videos on the Despicable Maine YouTube channel. Misconduct. Expect the following with Despicable Robert VanHorn or any court-appointed attorney. Automated guilt upon charge. The system treats you as automatically guilty, especially if you lack the financial means. Court-appointed attorney's allegiance. Their allegiance may not be to ensure justice, but to secure a conviction. Prosecutorial misconduct. Unethical behavior by prosecutors, including false claims, evidence withholding, and refusal to provide discovery materials. Maine courts may use fake jurors, have revenue-driven laws, and engage in evidence tampering. Prosecutors may coerce false testimony, fabricate bail violations, and misuse state psychological evaluations. Reflecting a cesspool state, these practices are not only typical but despicable. One of the dirty tricks observed from Robert VanHorn and other court attorneys involves compelling those unable to post bail to attend court hearings in jail clothing, handcuffs, shackles, and a belly chain for dramatic effect. This tactic, used when evidence is weak, compromises fairness for a desired outcome, often accompanied by the inclusion of a fake juror. Review the rules of professional conduct. Understanding ethical standards set by the State Bar Association. Seek insights on violations from ChatGPT and cross-reference with the State Bar website for conduct rules. Watch for communication issues. If attorneys like Robert VanHorn are unresponsive or fail to update on your case, it may signal a problem. Jeff's primary goal is to convict you easily, saying anything to give a false sense of help while doing nothing. Look for incompetence or lack of diligence. If Robert VanHorn appears unprepared or lacks case knowledge, it may signify incompetence. His strategy of letting you sit in jail and then ignoring you aims to convict you the easiest way possible. Watch for missed deadlines. Consistent misses or late document submissions may indicate a lack of diligence. Robert is known for refusing to file motions if they benefit you, aiming to convict you the easiest way. Identify conflict of interest. Undisclosed conflicts violate ethical standards, and Robert's previous behavior shows he disregards conflicts. Beware of breach of confidentiality. If Robert shares confidential information without consent, it's a serious ethical violation, and he has shown a lack of concern for confidentiality. Watch for dishonesty. Robert's consistency in lying to court clients raises ethical concerns. Be cautious of excessive fees or lack of transparency. Unreasonable charges or lack of transparency may raise ethical questions. Robert is known for taking money, providing no service upon return, even accepting white powder as payment. Watch for lack of zealous representation. If Robert consistently fails to assert rights or challenge evidence, it may indicate a lack of advocacy. Beware of unprofessional conduct. Disrespectful behavior towards the court or parties involved may be a red flag. Robert's alignment with the district attorney and neglect of court-appointed clients is evident. Watch for legal malpractice. Robert's actions, falling below the standard of care, aiding the district attorney in hiding evidence, and getting clients more jail time than requested, may be considered legal malpractice. Consult another attorney outside Hancock County for a second opinion, as the region has a reputation for misconduct. File a complaint with the State Bar for identified attorney misconduct, including a notice of claim for harm caused. Expose the systemic issues in Maine courts where judges, prosecutors and court-appointed lawyers' predetermined trial outcomes. Prioritizing profits over justice, despicable tactics persist, victimizing the poor and exploiting them as a revenue source. Show your support for disbarment efforts against Robert VanHorn and other court-appointed attorneys to end their despicable misconduct in 2024. If you found this video report informative, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and despicable tactics used by Despicable Maine. I am Jennifer Drake. Until next time.